Hi, I'm Steve-O of pheromoneXS.com. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the ignore function on VBulletin 5. You'll want to make sure you are logged into your account. You'll notice my username on my Discover XS community forum here. Click on this. Brings down the drop-down menu, my profile. Once you're at my profile, scroll down a little bit. Under your avatar image, you'll see Edit My Settings. Click there. Here you'll see the tab Account. Click on this. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and down here in the Ignore list, you may begin typing a username that you would like to ignore. In this case, I will type in Kate D, is one of my moderators, and click on Save Changes. And this will prevent you seeing any more of this person's posts. This is a great idea if someone's just doesn't like your opinion or you don't like their opinion and you just don't want to have any interaction with them. Personally, I think opinions are great because we can discuss freely and have disagreements. But in case you wanted to do that, you would just type it in and then save changes. You could do multiple people in this accord, but that's up to you. Once again, I'm Steve-O with pheromoneXS. Thanks for watching.